Good morning, traders. This is Dennis Cahigas from MF Global. It is Tuesday, October 4th, and this is your morning currency comment. Starting off our trading day today, we do have the U.S. dollar stronger against the other major currencies, and the Treasuries advancing here again on the overnight. Early expectations are for both the dollar and the Treasuries to continue to maintain favor throughout the trading day as equities start to approach the bear market territory. So we are looking for safe havens to continue to be pushing higher. Risks seem to increase here overnight here as concerns that and fears that the European banking system is in crisis mode and may push the global markets and global economy into a recession. Also, traders are continuing to monitor the sovereign debt situation with concerns here that a disorderly Greek default may further contaminate the rest of the European economies as well as their banking system. But let's back off and see what brought us here this morning, starting off here with Asian markets. Asian markets closing lower with the Nikkei down over 1% here last night. Again, a lot of the pressure in Asia stemming from concerns here of a weakened global economy, largely stemming from Europe. The Japanese yen did fall here against the U.S. dollar last night. European news, European markets are lower here. The European Stocks 50 currently down over 3% here. Last night, one of the important things here, EU leaders also did postpone the next bailout package here for Greece, pushing it back at least a few weeks here. This is supposedly to give the European leaders more time here to get a consensus on bailout package, as well as getting the last few countries to approve the EFSF. Also, the British pound, it did weaken here against the dollar here last night in anticipation of a possible stimulus package to be passed later this week. So both the British pound and the euro both falling against the dollar here last night. In U.S. news, U.S. markets are currently lower. The December Dow futures down over 0.9%, so we're approaching down 1% early this morning. Later on, we'll be looking for both the August factory orders coming out at 9 o'clock, as well as Ben Bernanke as he testifies before Congress at about 10 Chicago time. But let's break down our trade expectations, starting off here with the U.S. dollar. Look for the dollar to gain against the other major currencies as the market flocks to the dollar here on safety concerns. Last night we did hit our target from yesterday morning at 80, so we'll be looking about 80 and a half throughout the day today. And for the Treasuries, we'll also be looking for that to push higher. Many of our targets being hit here last night as well. For the 10 years, we surpassed the 131 target. Now we are looking for 132 on that upside. And for the Treasuries, we're looking for 147. But if you'd like more details on these markets, or more importantly, what that means for you and your portfolio, give me a call at my trade desk at 866-631-6216. Please remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk and may not be suitable for everyone. Good luck, good trading.